What up, YouTube? It's your boy, The Untold Myth, and I'm coming back at you with another video. But this time, I'm going to unbox a brand new Pulse Red Xbox controller, which is right here. Red is one of my favorite colors for all systems or controllers or any accessories. I just think it's so hot, and the colors are so vibrant, and it just goes well with black so much. So stick around and let's get to the unboxing of the Xbox Pulse Red Series X controller. So here it is, guys, the Pulse Red controller, brand new. The seal is still there. It's right there. And I'm excited to open this up and try it out. Have it in my hands, touch it, play with it, all that good stuff. Got my trusty kitchen knife right here. And here we go. Oh, snap. Popping it open. Ooh, that's pretty beautiful. I love that the joysticks are red as well. Like, that's hot. That's hot to me. The good old Duracell batteries. I don't understand why Xbox doesn't just put a rechargeable battery in there with it. But this is the main thing right here. It feels good. I don't know if you guys have ever held Xbox One controller in your hand and an Xbox Series X controller in your hand, but right away I feel a difference right here. It's textured. It feels like you're holding, you know, like it's just like a bunch of, I think you can see it in the camera right there. Hopefully it focuses in. You can kind of see the shine right here and the nine shine right there. So that's where the texture is, and it just feels so good in your hand. And the difference between this and the Xbox One controller is these textures, as well as the D-pad and the share button right here. Haven't really played with one of these controllers yet, but I'm excited to play with it, and I'll update you guys on how, you know, how it feels and, you know, what's going on. That's the back where you put the batteries in. You can also buy a rechargeable battery. It's called a play and charge kit. But yeah, guys, this is the controller. I'm so excited to play with it. The buttons feel amazing. Honestly, I prefer this controller versus the PS5 or PS4 controller. But yeah, the buttons click really good. It feels so good. I love the black and red. Like that right there, to me, does it for me. That does it for me right there. But I appreciate you guys sticking around, and I will see you guys next week with a video game review. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It'll help me out a lot. Bye-bye.